Well, hello everybody. Thanks for stopping by the homestead. We're back on the pole barn. This week we're working on our foundation. So we gotta dig, pour, and set our 12 posts. But before we do that, we gotta clean up the area. All right, well let's get to it.
The back of the shop is my reference point. I measure the center line and then do my first starting posts. From there, I use a T-square to get off the barn as far as possible. I also measure the diagonal in both directions. I'm using garden stakes to kind of mark the general position of my holes to where to dig. I use a string and a line level to make sure I get the pillars all the same height. Alright, 12 holes to dig. Here we go.
Hey, so I got the holes mostly dug. They just need to be maybe matched for the actual diameter of this. Made this quick little jig right here. This is the top of the tube. Basically, got my center line here, and then this is half the width of my anchor base plate. So as long as I get the string lined up even with here, and then a dot I put on the string in the exact placement I need, I should be good to go. All right, well let's try it out.
Once in line, I'm using the dirt to keep the form in place. Before removing the jig, I mark the string and the form to make sure it stays in line. Now for the fun part, mixing 4 80-pound bags of cement by hand. The loops at the end of the rebar ended up not working out. It kept getting stuck, so I pushed it down, so I went and cut them off. And it went right in. As you can see, the dot on the string and the line on the bracket line up. The line and bracket are nice and parallel. It's level in this direction. And again, nice and level here.
Well, that's what I do one at a time, just to make sure I can do it right. All right, one down, a little more to go.